guys, right now, like, in like the same area, but we're all three staying here for a little bit because the motor got shut down.
I'm done with my water.
And something seriously happened. And I'm setting a timer at 3 o'clock in the morning, and so we all three can wake up and record ourselves while we're sleeping. Huh.
Did you said 3 o'clock in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
You said all
Peyton,
three.
tell them about last time.
So last time, we heard some banging.
And we went in the car.
Yeah, and he got in with us. And something seriously happened.
Hey guys, Peyton, tell them about the Lake Tahoe thing we're gonna do.
So we're gonna do underground Lake Tahoe. Look for some sea monsters. If you see any.
Yeah, because we heard there was a lake monster called Tahoe, Tennessee.
Yeah.
So we're actually gonna see what he looks like in real life, and it's not fake.
It is real, guys. So make sure.
We're trying to keep and then Peyton has a phone glass-proof, waterproof thing.
Yeah, I have to.
So we're going tomorrow.
Yeah. So. I hold the camera. Dude, keep on up on this, but don't touch anything. Don't touch this right here. Don't touch it.
Yeah, so Connor's gonna hold the camera. We're gonna see who can do this. So I'll do it.
Don't stop down. Watch him. It was lagging. Hey, Lucas! Hey, Lucas, catch my water. You can have it.
Whoa, that was so close.
You can have my water. Hey, get the camera off me. Let me dump. No. Doesn't want to run right there. Okay, camera. Jump, go down. Okay, guys, I got all wet for some reason. Because it's too hot in this desert.
Yeah.
Guys, look at it. It's so
We
hot.
live in Nevada too, so I mean, they live in Roseville. Pretty soon they're gonna live in Nevada.
Yeah, so I might do a Fortnite video. Hit on the comments if you want me to do a Fortnite.
I know I'm gonna do.
Oh yeah, go in the comments if you want us to do more 3 a.m. or go to Tahoe. Pick one. We're only gonna do one. So Peyton, tell me about the Tahoe upcoming one.
So we're might go to Tahoe tomorrow if we have time.
Yeah, the upcoming video.
Yeah, so might not or something. It depends because it's gonna be hard, I think. Okay, let me go first. Okay.
Here, I'll hold it.
I got it.
Okay, go.
Oh crap, guys! I don't know if I'm gonna slip. This is too dangerous. Don't go. Okay, one of you go.
Hey, zoom into me when I'm doing a dab.
Okay, hold up.
All right, let's go.
Wait.
There we go, Peyton. Here we go.
Okay, go. You made it.
That was good. All right, Connor's turn. Connor, dab.
Run fast.
Good job, Connor.
Okay, guys. So it looks like our motor crashed and too hot. Wait, that's not them.
No, they're taking the truck.
Yeah, that's them.
That's what I said, Michael.
So you can zoom into the truck that's coming by that driveway.
Yeah, so guys, here we come. Watch out! Zoomed in.
Yeah, there's a truck coming by. Yeah, that truck right there. That's ours.
Yeah,
Finally, me and Peyton are gonna go inside there and.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot my charger. It's in the car. Crap.
We'll get it when
we get back home.
When we have time. So here comes the truck. That's our truck right there.
Who's gonna go? Who's gonna go next?
Not me.
No, because me and Peyton are gonna go inside there. I'm gonna go inside.
Yeah, me.
Hold on, me and Peyton are gonna have a video record ourselves going inside.
So guys, we're gonna go inside. It's cool. Here we go. The truck is right there. We're gonna head inside. Here we go.
Finally. After like 25 or 30, half an hour, minutes.
Hey,
Go inside.
we need to get inside. Kyra.
No, there's not enough room.
No, the back.
There's not enough room in the back. They put stuff in the back.
You guys move back because I gotta back up the truck.
Okay, guys. So we can't go in the truck because our cousin says no. It is too.
She wants us to die.
Yeah, we're gonna die out here soon. Cause I have something going on with me. Probably I need surgery. Go in the comments just in case if I don't. Me and Lucas and my brother won't die. Make sure. Or hit the subscribe button right here.
And the update video. Don't forget.
Yeah, don't forget the update video.
They might not see it.
It depends, Connor.
What?
Depends.
Yeah.
Stop. No, they didn't.
So what's going on right now?
So right now they're.
Oh yay! They're gonna bring that out. Oh, they have an ice cooler. Finally. Did you got a water?
No, our water's out.
Yeah. We need something else to drink. Oh, thanks. Bring something. I'll take that back. I'll take this back.
I need water.
Take that.
Thanks, Lucas.
You want Capri Sun, Connor?
You can't have two.
More water?
No, I can't. I didn't get water, and I just have resets.
Wow, subscribe if only it deserves that.
Don't subscribe.
I got water.
If I'm thinking this is talking trash, but subscribe to me. Check out his channel and then his channel.
Oh yeah,
And my channel. Because I have two
on my
channels.
channel, I'm gonna name it the Canutons Weather Channel, so you can search up our weather too. Brownsville, Tahoe, Lake Tahoe,
Chucky.
Chico.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can search up in there. It'll send you forecasts. If not, in the bottom of the forecast, it'll say what your city and what your
Uh-oh.
thing
No,
is.
my water. I have to go get down. Okay, guys, I'm going to go up here.
We're gonna go up that mountain.
Yes. Whoa! That's my water up there. Whoa!
It's running asteroid.
It's going slow. No, it stopped. Don't have the right shoes for this.
Oh yeah, don't forget. Zoom into me.
Oh no! I'm
You know
gonna go.
that round was sponsored? It was sponsored by Capri Sun.
Ha! Oh, that's so funny. Oh crap! So I'm running ahead. Okay, guys, we're gonna. Okay, guys, we're gonna eat it.
Gotta go on the other side.
As I said, guys. So here we go.
Finally, we're gonna go inside. One. Wait, we're going to the actual bathroom.
Get in the truck.
Well, Michael, we're going home.
We are?
Yes.
All right, so Hayden's right now gonna record us in the back.
Yeah. So look, we're in the back.
Sit down, everybody.
Mother, Grandpa, you
Lucas,
just
can you
gonna-
scoot over?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna fly. Here, let me see this.
They're good.
I'm gonna record this
They're good.
the whole time. Then I'll be right here recording
Yeah.
the whole ride of us.
No, I got it. Okay, so guys. Okay,
We're
get
gonna ride
ready.
to the back home. I mean, it's not that long.
Yeah, everybody's in here.
Wait a second, do I still have my water on your wheel?
No, ATL has it.
Okay.
Woo! Ouch. Ooh, stinks.
I know, it stinks.
Here we go. We're going back.
So he's gonna. They tied the thing. Now they're.
Uncle Robert.
Driving things. They're not. Oh, that felt like a fart.
Hi.
Yeah, just move around a little bit every now and then.
He's driving.
You're actually driving.
Look at he's driving.
Magic tricks. Try this at home if you can.
Yeah, try this don't try this at home actually.
Depends how professional you are.
Yeah.
Learn your manners.
It's cool to listen to it.
Okay guys, we're gonna end you guys right here. Peace.
Once in a while.